In this worksheet, we have to give answer in present simple form. You know, present tense, past and two types of tenses. In present simple, present progressive, present perfect progressive. In case of a past tense, past simple, past progressive, past perfect progressive. Okay, here only present simple tense should be used while giving answer or putting question. While putting question, we can use do, does as auxiliary, then subject, okay, then main verb in V1 form. You know V1, V2, V3. First form of the verb, base verb. For example, I go to school. I subject, go, V1 form. But I went to school, I am a V2 form. That is past simple. This is I go to school, present simple. But if you use he or she as subject or Gopal, any name, then he goes to school. Yes is used, or yes he eats rice. Yes is used with verb, main verb, V1 plus yes or yes. Only while giving answer yes or yes is used with main verb. That is only one verb, that is present simple form. Okay, or in present simple we can use only be verb, is or are or am as single verb. It is also in present simple form, no main verb. It is used as main verb. Is, has, have. It is in present simple form. Okay. But in this case, while putting question, we can use first WH word, then do or does, then subject, then V1 form main verb, then the information. Okay. Here, the hints are given. What Gopal does daily, when. It gives when. Answer means time. Get up. It is in present simple form. Get up, the V1 form. This is a verb phrase. Okay. If we put question when, WH word, when we can use does for present simple. Okay. Third person singular. When does Gopal? Gopal is the third person singular. He or she or Gopal. When does Gopal get up? Answer: Gopal gets up at 6 a.m. Similarly, when does Gopal brush teeth? Answer: Gopal brushes teeth at 6:30 a.m. Take breakfast. When does Gopal take breakfast? Answer: Gopal takes, yes is used, takes breakfast at 7 a.m. Similarly, when does Gopal do homework? At 7:30 a.m. Okay. Similarly, when does Gopal do homework? At 7:30 a.m. When does Gopal take, does Gopal take bath? କେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଗାଧାଏ? At 9 a.m. 9টাରେ ଗାଧାଏ। କେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଲଞ୍ଚ ନିଏ? When does he take lunch? ମଧ୍ୟାହ୍ନ ତାର ଲଞ୍ଚ ନିଏ ସ୍କୁଲ ଯିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ at 9:30 a.m. When does Gopal go to school? Gopal କେତେବେଳେ ସ୍କୁଲକୁ ଯାଏ? At 10 a.m. When does Gopal come back from school? At 4:30 p.m. When does he go to play, or Gopal go to play? At 5 p.m. Similarly, when does he go for tuition? At 6:30 p.m. When does he take dinner? At 9:30 p.m. When does he go to bed? At 10 p.m. At 9:30 p.m. Sorry, take dinner at 9:30 p.m. Here, when is used as WH word to give the information of time. 6 a.m. or 6:30 a.m. or 7 a.m. It gives the information of time. Okay. Similarly, you can write the daily life of Gopal. In table 1, we discussed what Gopal daily does. Gopal's daily routine. Gopal gets up at 6 a.m. Gopal brushes his teeth at 6:30 a.m. But here, the question we have to use in second person, you. What do you do daily? Answer will be I do, or I. When do you get up? I get up. When do you go to school? I go to school. The answer of the subject is I. Here the question is you. Okay, instead of Gopal, you can Gopal is third person singular, so does is used. When does Gopal get up? Gopal gets up at 6 a.m. But here, when do you get up? I get up. This is a first person. For first person, we can use V1, the first form for get up, V1, but not we should not use yes or es with verb with V1 from base form the verb पर मूल रूप में एस लगेबानी जेमती गोपाल क्षेत्र रे थर्ड पर्सन ही सी गोपाल गोपाल क्षेत्र लगे तो गोपाल गेट्स अप एट 6 a.m. So we similarly we can give answer using I, writing I is the subject, but while putting question, that is subject is you. When do we get up? The informations are given, time information. So by using what time or when, we can give answer. When do you get up? I get up at 6 a.m. When do you brush your teeth? I brush my teeth at 6:30 a.m. When do you take breakfast? You can write I take breakfast at 7 a.m. When do you do your homework? I do my homework at 7:30. When do you take bath? I take bath at 9 a.m. When do you take your lunch? I take my lunch at 9:30 a.m. When do you go to school? I go to school at 10 a.m. When do you come back from school? I come back from school at 4:30 p.m. When do you go to play? I go to play at 5 p.m. When do you go for tuition? I go for tuition at 6:30 p.m. When do you take dinner? I take my dinner at 9:30 p.m. When do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. In this way, you can write some sentences of your daily life. Okay, thank you.